Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I have just put some paint on the edges and blown the dog hair away. And I'm going to spread some Meeden, M-E-E-D-E-N paint, which originally I got because it was incredibly good at making cells and things, but I will use as a background because it's so black. Even on a white canvas, I could pretty much guarantee one coat would do me black. Maybe not everybody can do it, but I can, and so I do. I think with practice anybody could. So this is the OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula, available on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under the video. The link tree is the first blue link under there. It's got my not just my Amazon link, where if you shop at no added cost to you, it helps me out and I appreciate it. But it's also got my website, my Facebook groups, Le Gallerist, my new high-end clothing line, and Pixels.com and Fine Art America, my less pricey clothing, and lots of other stuff there. Duvet covers, really, really nice. Really nice stuff. I even have one on my bed. It took me a while before I could afford it, but I did it. So I'm going to do swipe, and I've got all kinds of little weird tools around. Throw that in the bucket. But I think what I want to do is make some weird patterns. And use paint colors I like. And try and make some combinations that I like more. That was the electric blue from Arteza, and that was the Venetian blue from Modern Masters, and this is, ooh, that's cool. The emerald green is a color shift from Folk Art, and it is open, and I am stoked about that. That is an amethyst blue. I have no idea what I'm doing right now, but worst case scenario, I've got, like I said, all kinds of tools. Wondering what else I should be doing. I probably should have thought about this a little bit more. I wanted some silver in there, but I've got all that gold, so why don't I do it anyway? Where is it? I've moved it someplace I could find it. There it is. The silver and the white are so similar. That's probably why I don't work too hard at getting that in there. That is, I believe, a neon pink from Folk Art. I want some turquoise, and I want a little bit more of that green. And I'm going to use the leftover paint that I had, Amsterdam with pre-stained wood conditioner, and I'm just going to start. And see how it goes. Get some of that out of the way. I've got a color I missed, which is my favorite, Purple Flash from Folk Art. This could take me a while. I have never tried to swipe with such a small tool, and I'm floating it on the surface of the painting, of the paint. Because as soon as it drags, it doesn't work as well. So you need a substantial amount of paint, in my opinion, to do this well. But I have another tool I just made, too. I have this one I just made. I just made a video making that tool. I might have to decide to go with another tool also. Because I really do like my diagonal card. I'm impressed with how far that's moving. It It takes a little bit of focus. I'm sorry, I'm like, I'm not talking. But so far I haven't got too creative. I'm just spinning waves and making circles. And I'm really hoping to get more creative as time goes on. Oh, I want some more Amsterdam on there. This also gives me a chance to see what all the colors do. It looks like a whirling dervish so far. Kind of wish I put some black across the top of things. I guess it's not really too late if I want to do that. It's a party for sure. I wonder about the white. Like, I'd like to have some more white. I really ought to use another color, but I really like what I've got too. There's just the white. So if the black and white makes gray, that would be normal. And I could put spirals in here if I want to. I'm still not wasting much paint. I got to be careful where there isn't much paint. It's not gonna glide. But I am getting some nice cells. I kind of wish I'd left a little bit more of the color behind because I really like the way that looks untouched. And then of course you watch me take it all the way. I probably have a smaller one of these somewhere. Chances are good. I had to try pulling some paint without any black on it and see what happens. I can do that. I can try and do that. I want another color along with this color though. Actually, I want the other color to be a turquoise. Oh yeah, that's nice. There's no guarantee of cells unless I'm using the Amsterdam, which does guarantee the cells, but you might still get some anyway. Oh, I got a circle. Cool. I like circles. I like circles because they remind me of spirals, and I love spirals. If you know anything about me, you know that's for sure. That went right down to canvas. That's why the canvas was black. And it made a bullseye. I like the stuff that's left behind, except for the bubbles and the little other things. So, we do a few tendrils, cross some stuff over. Because we can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link under the video on the link tree. It's getting weirder. I maybe should not have done that. still kind of cool. Where's my little... I want to do something with this right here. I really love that color. I don't know why I didn't use it for so long. I think I'm going to have to do a swipe with that as the majority. That orangey color that's coppery is the Decor Americana 24 karat gold with some orange mixed into it. I can use the residuals, pick them up, put them down somewhere else. That's cool. Neat marks. Just learning. It's definitely got to start somewhere. Everybody starts somewhere. So I like that. Even if I'm a little clumsy still, it's neat. And I'm almost done. I want to say thank you guys for being here. And if you're newly subscribed, please be welcomed. And if you're not, thank you so much for still being here. And if you're not subscribed at all, we'd love to have you. So please subscribe. There's over 1,900 videos and they can all be found separated into lists of 100 on my channel. And by topic and genre. This is too much fun for me. I'm just having a ball. I get some weird marks, but that's okay. Sometime I'm going to have a dish of colors and just use it to dip my little tool into. And maybe I'd have like 5 or 6 of these little tools. That way I wouldn't have to spend too much time in between cleaning them. That would be handy in a video at least. I want to take some of this paint from my dish. Lead it right down over the side. This is a great tool to cover the edges of your canvas too. Not that I'm going to worry about that right now. Kind of want to take the white. I wish there was a little bit more of it actually. Maybe I can make what's here work. I said I was going to put some spirals in and then I didn't. That's not like me. So let's put some spirals in. I'm liking this composition. I'm liking it from all kinds of angles. That was fun. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Share my videos at will, please. If you watch longer, it makes a huge difference to the performance of my channel. If you watch the commercials, I get to buy art supplies. I have Teespring clothing below the video, and that has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. If you're looking for dresses or something more high-end, I have a brand new place, Le Gallerist, with beautiful stuff in there. I am really liking the little spirals I'm adding tremendously. Here, there, and everywhere. And spreading the white out isn't hurting my feelings either. I love spirals. I can't help it. I know I heard somebody one time didn't like spirals and I'm like, what? You're entitled. You don't have to like what I like. It's fine. Really. just sort of pulling the white out so it makes a little bit more. I could actually drop a few more spots in there. I wonder how much time I have left. I got like 50 seconds. If I had the white to hand, I could put a little drop on the end of my skewer and just add the odd, as opposed to a dot, which would work too. It just creates the illusion of a highlight. Where else do I need one? Yeah, I like that. That's good. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys, thank you so much for all the wonderful comments you leave me. You keep my morale boosted. And soon I will make a video and link it underneath all the videos where I use my little tool. But that was a lot of fun. So what did I not tell you guys? My email address is below the link tree, and should you be interested in taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, that's where to reach me. If you are interested in purchasing an artwork, by far and away the best way to support the studio's production of videos, you can also use that link tree. I recommend having the hashtag and the file number from the title of the video that you saw what you were interested in. Otherwise, I have playlists with all of my exhibition videos, like the exhibition video that's on the end screen. And if you check that exhibition video out, you will find out what the monthly drawing prizes are for anyone who is a contributor to help keep the studio rolling through PayPal or Patreon. And you can find those icons on my YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner. Yes, I'm still spiraling things out. Probably no, I probably will never stop. But that's okay. That's my MO. I'm sure I'm not the only one. That was so much fun. This is really pretty colors and fun patterns. And there's a lot going on here. I'm not sure what it is. It's definitely some kind of party. And yeah, not stopping. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. If you have questions, please ask me. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it is below the video. I should zoom in for you so you can see closer that there are some really cool cells. Maybe I'll pull this back this way and zoom right in. Nice colors. Like those colors. I gotta do a swipe with the reds and the pinks. I gotta learn to slow down too, because I made myself a little seasick the other day with all the zooming around. I'll zoom in one more time. Alright, you guys. Make sure you look for my books, because I can and Unlimited Possibilities on the Amazon link if you're interested. And know that if you shop there, it's at no cost to you and it helps me out. And I really appreciate that. What did I forget to tell you? I don't know, all kinds of things. My community board will have tomorrow's video on it. My Facebook groups are on the link tree, along with Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. And if you're looking for a Facebook group for students, it's Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will show you Pixels.com and Fine Art America goods, which is also less expensive than the Legalerist, but nothing as spectacular as Legalerist, that has kimonos and dresses and all kinds of really cool stuff. Beautiful scarves. So, I love you guys. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but whatever it is, you'll see it in another video. I post 7 days a week and twice on weekends and more lately. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night have a 10 p.m. show. The rest of them I can't call. It's usually either late morning or early afternoon. But I hope to see you soon. Maybe tomorrow. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you anon.